What's up, Wayne Barron here with Audio-Technica Studios, and we're inside of Camtasia Studio. Quick lesson here. Let's say that you have an annotation open right here, and let's say for whatever reason it got moved away. It's gone. You can't find it. Or the only way to find it is to hold down your shift key. Well, click it, hold down shift key, and then zoom out, and there it is. You can select it and move it over here. Come back over here. Let's choose fit. Let's say that it got moved way down, or way up. So I just moved it all the way up to my monitor right above this monitor. Do the same thing. Hold down shift. Make sure you selected it. Hold down shift. Scroll out, and there it is. Oops. Make sure you let off from shift. Then grab a hold of it and bring it back in. Come over here and choose fit. All right. I am Wayne Barron with Audio-Technica Studios inside of Camtasia Studios. Y'all have a good one now. Bye bye.